Hey, back again for another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the mower deck, getting this ready for the season coming up. We've got some gear oil to change on the inside here, as well as grease the bearings in here, hit all the grease points. We're going to flip it up, we're going to clean it up, and just make it look nice. This is part number RCK60B23BX. 60-inch belly mower for the BX2380. This will be my first time servicing it, so let's get to work. All right, quick overview really quickly. We've got, these are called anti-scalp wheels on the side just to help with the height, make sure that you're not rubbing it on the ground when you're going. This is going to be your gearbox hooked up to the PTO shaft. That PTO shaft hooks up, I don't know if you can see it, but that PTO underneath the tractor. When that spins, it spins gears in here, which then, whoa, move that, and that spins blades underneath. We're going to take this up, we're going to clean this up, we're going to change the gear oil out of here, we're going to hit all these grease points. Let's get to it. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and take these guys off. Could use some grease, missing a washer, and just put that on the side for now. Looks pretty good. Let's blow this out. Just gonna be using some compressed air. So. All right, now I did have a problem with this side of the tractor sitting a little bit lower than this side. I can see with these adjustment bolts, obviously one is a little bit smaller than the other. We do not have to be this exact, but this just kind of is gonna help me get to where I need to just a little bit faster than if I were to just sit here and try my best with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and perfect. Not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be pretty good. Fittings right here. There we go. Seeing it come up? Right here. It's gotta be funny. All right, over here is the PTO shaft, and really just want to look at it and make sure everything looks good. We'll get that grease nib right there, but this could just use a nice wipe down. Then, there we go. Right in between. Make sure it's got, shoot some lube. Just around this guy. Maybe give some spurts in here. In there. Here with the. Alright, and alright, I had to do a quick check on the Kubota app to see about changing the gear oil. I got everything I would need to change the gear oil, but it also said I could just check it. So why don't we check the gear oil first and see if we need to change it at all. Oh man, wrong way. There we go. said that this should be a plug, so we will. Said that oil should be visible. I don't believe that this oil has ever been changed. Yeah, I can see some oil. Picked up this Kubota SAE 80W90 gear oil. We're back. We're just gonna definitely low. Oh, and we got the O-ring with it, so throw that back on there. We'll see we're up. We'll give that a little torque down as well. We did earlier, so we'll also get. All right. Now we're gonna flip her over and we're gonna check out the other side, the underside. Make sure everything looks okay. All right, we got the PTO back on. I promise you I lifted this thing up and looked underneath it. I don't really have a good way to like actually put it all the way upside down and take the blades off. The blades could be sharpened. I don't know. Maybe one day. Not today. I'm going to put this thing back together and get it pushed up underneath the lawnmower, under the tractor. We got some extra oil in there, which is fantastic. All right, last footage of the night, most likely, is going to be trying to get this PTO attached back. I believe we need to. Yeah. There we go. And now, I believe that is, yep, nice. So that is locked on there. Fantastic. That went a little easier than I thought. All right, we're not gonna really like go over too much of everything we're doing. I'll probably do a voiceover, but just watch as we get this thing. Creating like a lever point. Just needs to hook on over there. This comes in like this. And then this slides in here. And then we just do that. Alright. And then we are fully hooked up.